So for the last week or so, we've been discussing how IAQ products can help treat things like viruses, including the COVID-19, in our breathing space. So today we're going to do an installation of an iWave into a common furnace ducted system. Installation manual shows three options: fan inlet, inside wall, or external duct. For this application, we chose to use the external duct since we didn't have adequate clearance on the internal compartment. It is recommended that the iWave be installed on the shaft side of the motor and centered for the blower housing. So we measure the center of our motor to the outside edge of the cabinet to find our motor shaft on the external cabinet. The housing has a seal around its perimeter. We just have to make sure that we have an adequate opening for the cleaning bar. Next, we drill a 3-inch hole. We can now mount our iWave and secure with our supplied self-tapping screws. The iWave R has a patent-pending universal voltage between 24 volts AC and 240 volts AC and should be wired per NEC codes. There's also a pair of auxiliary contact wires in case we want to put an indicator light for operation. After verifying that there's a minimum of 2 inches of clearance from the moving parts, we can turn power on and check clearance. We are now complete with our iWave installation. Thanks for joining us.